This is the Viofo A329T. At the bottom, you can see the front 329S 4K camera recording at 30 frames per second. And at the top, we have the telephoto camera lens add-on, which has about 4 times zoom. Makes it a little bit easier for getting license plates. And as you've seen right at the beginning of the video there, that guy just randomly changed lanes mid-intersection. So as we keep going down the strip, you can kind of take a look at the top and see that how easy it is to get the license plates with the telephoto camera add-on. And we're going to have some upcoming videos with head-on traffic, where traffic is traveling in the opposite lane coming towards us, and we're going to be testing on whether the telephoto lens actually does a great job of picking up license plates. I know a lot of people are asking for those videos. Now, we're not going to have that from Las Vegas, unfortunately, but we are going to try and do some of that in the local greater Vancouver market. Enjoy the Viofo A329T as we continue to drive down the Las Vegas Strip at night. If you do have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thanks again.